In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Weather Stats add-on in Google Sheets using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Google Sheets allows you to install add-ons that can pull real-world data like weather directly into your spreadsheet. Now, if you want to use the Weather Stats add-on, here's what to do. Go to the Extensions tab at the top, click on Add-ons, then select Get Add-ons. Search for Weather Stats and install it. Once installed, open it from the Extensions menu. A sidebar will appear on the right side. Choose whether you want weather data by days or hours. Next, enter your start date and end date. Then type the location, like a city name. Now select the weather data you want, such as temperature, humidity, or rainfall. After setting everything, click Run. Your weather data will appear automatically in your sheet. That's it. Using the Weather Stats add-on in Google Sheets makes it easy to pull real-time weather data for tracking and analysis without manual work.